In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can easily see all of your assigned work items. So we're going to go over to the work items page, and then we're going to apply some filters to only show the ones assigned to me. So first, make sure this is selected. Then you can click over here, and you may choose to apply other filters. Okay, so we can see it's assigned to me, and I only want to see active work items and those that are in the backlog. I don't need to see completed, canceled, or halted work items, but of course you could change that. And you could apply any other filters if you need to, but let's just leave it with that. And that was basically what we already had. And then you'll notice that I'm grouping the results. Now, you may prefer to view your work items grouped by start date. Maybe you don't want them grouped, or you could do them by due date, or let's say priority. So just pick one of these groupings that makes sense for you. And then you'll also notice here we have the ability to view work items as a tree or flat. And what this means, let's actually ungroup these. What this means is, and I'll uncheck this as well because it looks like I don't have any that are in a tree view. So here, if you have a work item such as this one that has nested work items or child work items, and we can see that this one just has one subtask, we're viewing it as a tree. But if you don't want to view this tree structure and you just want to view all of those work items in a flat list, then that's what this is for. So just be aware of the difference. But in summary, once you make these selections, apply the filter and whatever grouping you may need, when you go back to the page, it will default to those settings. So that way you don't have to set it every time. You know that when you go back to this work items page, it's only going to show your assigned work items. Now, you could go further and you could choose to, for example, save the filter that you've applied. Okay, so you can click there to save the filter, give it a name. Let's see, my work items. So we'll save it. And then you can see there, I can select it from the list. So if I have made other changes to the work items, maybe I'm viewing someone else's work items or whatever it may be, I could always go back here and run that to easily pull in my work items. And yet another thing you could do is you could save this as a favorite. Okay, so we could go over here and we could say my work items as a favorite. And you could have it open in a new tab if you want. Okay, and the benefit of creating a favorite is that, let's suppose that I'm on just some random page. Maybe I'm on the Teams page or the project page. I could just go here and say my work items and then easily pull those in. So in short, from anywhere, you can easily access the things assigned to you.